Hi, everyone. It's day 145 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird is the Baltimore Oriole. Baltimore Orioles are master weavers. The female creates an intricate hanging pouch nest from plant fibers, hair, and even string, so well constructed that it can swing through summer storms without coming apart. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?
New lifer.